Hello, I'm Bryce Milan. We need your help to support families who lost their homes during the tornadoes in North Texas. Some homes have been destroyed. Our emergency relief fund will provide food, water, shelter, and other necessities to families impacted by the storm. Every contribution, big or small, will bring much-needed assistance to families struggling in the aftermath of this disaster. Here's how your donation can help. $25 provides a care package with essential supplies for a family in need. $50 provides food and water for a family. $100 provides shelter for a week to help a family displaced. $1,000 provides a displaced family with 2 months of food, water, and shelter. A powerful storm ripped through the North Texas city of Mineral Wells Tuesday evening and caused serious damage. The storm appeared to have blown through an industrial park, shredding buildings, ripping apart roofs, and scattering debris across the area. Metal was wrapped around poles and an HVAC plant was heavily damaged, but employees had been sent home ahead of the storm. Thank you for listening. I'm Bryce Milan with Opulent Philanthropy Inc. Visit us at www.opulentusa.org/Texas. Thank you.